Good evening. Welcome to JK News Network. You are watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. PM Modi launches property cards under Swamitva scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday launched the physical distribution of property cards under the Swamitva scheme via video conferencing. The launch enables around 1 lakh property holders to download their property cards through the SMS link delivered on their mobile phone. This will be followed by physical distribution of the property cards by the respective state governments. Prime Minister also interacted with some of the beneficiaries during the event. Union Minister for Panchayati Raj was also present on the occasion. CBI takes up investigation of Hathras death registers case. The Central Bureau of Investigation on Sunday registered a case in connection with the Hathras death as it took over the investigation. The Dalit woman had died of grievous injuries at a Delhi hospital on September 29, a fortnight after she was allegedly raped at her village by 4 upper caste men. The probe agency has constituted a team for investigation. The complainant had alleged that on 14 September 2020, the accused tried to strangulate his sister in the millet field. The case has been registered on the request of Uttar Pradesh government and further notification from Government of India. The CBI release rate. Women's T20 Challenge. BCCI announces scheduled squads for 2020 edition. The Board of Control for Cricket in India on Sunday announced the squads for the 3 sides participating in the Women's T20 Challenge. The 2020 edition of the tournament will be played between November 4 to 9 in the United Arab Emirates. Harmanpreet Kaur, Smriti Mandhana and Mithali Raj will be leading the Supernovas, Trailblazers and Velocity sides respectively. The BCCI also announced the schedule of the tournament as Supernovas will take on the Velocity in the opening game. The Women's T20 Challenge will mark the return of Indian women's cricketers to action after a long break due to the coronavirus pandemic. 18 dead in Thailand bus train collision. Chechongasa, Thailand. At least 18 people were killed and more than 40 injured in Thailand on Sunday when a freight train crashed into a bus taking passengers to a religious ceremony, officials said. The morning collision around 50 kilometers east of the capital Bangkok toppled the bus on its side and sheared off part of its roof. Dozens of injured passengers were rushed to nearby medical facilities for treatment, said Provincial Hospital Director Sombat Chutimanukul. 4 are in critical condition and 8 remain under observation. Out of the 23 admitted to her hospital, she told reporters. So that's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.